All right, today we're going to answer the question, is keto really a diet? Okay. All right, well, I used this dictionary right here, Macmillan Dictionary. I'm not making these definitions up. Number 1, food or drink usually eaten by a person. Number 2, a regular course of food and drink prescribed for reasons of health or weight loss. Number 3, food considered as a nutrient for its effect on the body. All right. Next one, to eat according to prescribed rules. And of course, I'll tell them, absolutely, you can go back to your regular way of eating so you can gain the weight back, get the diseases back in your body, and then we'll start the cycle over again. But if you look at it, keto is a diet. So whether you're on the keto plan or you're on some unrestricted plan, you're still on a diet according to this definition. Food and drink usually eaten by a person. And of course, number 2, you're eating for health reasons or weight loss reasons. What's wrong with that? It's totally okay to be on a diet the rest of your life, okay? Based on these definitions. And look at this, to eat according to prescribed rules. Why shouldn't there be rules that actually help you survive? Okay, moderate protein, keep your carbs low, eat a higher fat diet, have plenty of vegetables and salad. I mean, what's wrong with that? These rules were designed to increase your survival. So the actual derivation of the word diet comes from mode of living or way of living. It's a way of life. So based on all the diets out there, keto will give you the most health benefits, the most weight loss, but healthy weight loss. But yes, it does have certain rules you need to follow. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with being in a diet if you're not depriving nutrients, you're actually creating health, you're losing weight, and you're feeling great. Thanks for watching. So if you've personally benefited from the information that I put out in my videos, I would love to actually see your success story too. I put a link down below so you can upload your before and after pictures with your story.